I spent $150 on one pack of sports cards. That's right, in my hand is the Barcelona Focus Set by Topps, and these are currently reselling for $150 per pack. I mean, look at this thing, it's absolutely tiny, and you only get 15 cards in the pack, but for $150 you could pull a 1 out of 1 signed Messi and even a 1 out of 1 signed Maradona card. So let's test our luck today. The seal is coming off, so let's see what we get in this bad boy. There's no going back now. In the box we have our one packet, which you will see right here. This is a paper packet, so it's not the best quality. Unless we're talking about sustainability, then it's a very sustainable packet. Let's get the top off and open up for our first card. Our first card is a retirement card from 2015 for Xavi. Our next card is a 2001 bicycle kick into Europe, followed by a Gundogan just standing there. A Fort, again, rookie card standing there. Faye, another rookie, followed by Walsh. So we do have the women's team in this set. We then have a Martinez standing there. A Brooks, rookie card again. A Ronaldo, so a legend, well, icon card here. That's quite cool to be including in the set. Followed by a Victor Roquette rookie card. So a lot of rookies we are pulling, and a Kubasi rookie card again. Now we're about to be onto the big hitters here. So let's see what our first holo card is. And I'm trying to do this carefully so I don't ruin the autograph in this set here. So we'll pull that off. So we have a Pedri holo card to kick things off. This is a firework card. We would then have a insert card underneath here. So we have a Samuel Eto'o insert card. Samuel Eto'o used to be one of my favorite Barcelona players back in the day. Now this is where things are about to get interesting. So behind this card will be our autograph, and behind that card will be a parallel card. So what we're going to do is we're going to slide it so we can get the parallel card first without ruining the auto. So here we go. Oh, it's a Yamal. It's green, makes history. We have a Yamal rookie card, makes history. What is that numbered out of? It is not numbered. I thought green meant it's numbered. Unless I'm just being... Oh, it is numbered 71 out of 99 there. So we have a Yamal makes history rookie card. This could be a big keeper for the future, especially if he performs in the Euros. Now we'll put that there. So now what do we have as our autograph card? So it is green. So that means we have pulled a numbered autograph card. And I assume it will be out of 99, just like our Yamal card. Now the question is, can we pull a signed Messi here? So we'll pull it down slowly. Make sure the camera is focused. Let's see what we have. It's not a Messi. I can see some writing up there. It's definitely not a Messi. Let's pull it from the side. Let's see. Is it a female player? I'm not sure who that could be. All right, 3, 2, 1. We have a Firmin rookie, 93 out of 99. I'm not gonna lie, it's not the best. It's not a stinker either. Look at the autograph on that card. He really took his time making sure that autograph stood out on this card. I mean, today we have just had rookie overload in this set. I have 4 more boxes in the background right here ready to be opened. So if you want to see them opened, let me know in the comment.